All right, guys, nuts and bolts. Time to find your item to sell and start carving your money out right now. Okay? This works a little reverse than what you're used to or what might make sense in your mind. Couple examples. You can have a choice on here between a low competition product and a high competition product. When I first moved to Charlotte, North Carolina, we got into financial advisors. We were going to buy that restaurant, our first restaurant that we were buying. And we wanted to be next door to multiple restaurants. I was like, that is so counterproductive. We're up against Domino's, we're up against Pizza Hut, and we're a no-name Italian restaurant and Mario's and everything else. But it worked out, and well, it worked out when I was there. And the high competition ones are not scary because we're with you, okay? We're going to help you get boost ranked and everything else and get multiple sales. That said, there's going to be some statistics and things that you want to follow for guidance, and we're also going to be releasing in each category how much does the number 1 item sell a month, how much does the number 10 item sell, how much does the number 100 item sell, how much does the number 1,000 item sell, and then you can reach out and get a good gauge on what your item's going to be and how much it's going to sell. So the first thing you want to do, I'm on Amazon.com. On the left side, I'm going to see full directory, full store directory. The left side you can pretty much ignore. That's gimmicky stuff. That's like ebooks on eBay. Okay, you're going to want to focus on the right 2 columns, all of this stuff in here. So I'm going to go over and I'll try some exercise and fitness. Okay. And I'm going to show you an example that I found, and it was 1 for 1. It wasn't like I searched for years. I couldn't believe it. I was like, this is just too easy, okay? So I went over to accessories, and I clicked on all accessories, all right? And all of these accessories came up. And as I look through them, one of the points you're going to want to do is you're going to want to look for items from $10 to $50. Selling for 10 so you can make some money on it, okay? But not something over $50 because you'll start getting into heavy items. Think of items that cost over $50 that are lightweight. Things like iPhones, we can't tap into that. Things like diamond rings, too much fraud. Things like, whatever, expensive watches, too much fraud, too much knockoff, stuff like that. Too many ways to get in trouble. So one of the parameters, write that down, is $10 to $50, lightweight, small items preferred. So this one here on the left would qualify. This core, I'm not sure the prices, but weight size, this would qualify. This would look kind of too bulky to try and ship into Amazon, get shipped over from China, unless that breaks down. It's plastic. Look at this reflective gear. What does that weigh? Like an ounce. These floor mats, super light. If this ball's this size, that might be huge to package up, okay? Look at this light thing here, this little hammock here that's probably sold 1 billion of them, and you can probably get it for 50 cents. Jump rope, okay? Gloves, things like that, all right? It's just easy. That big bounce giant chair, too big, okay? So let's go ahead and we'll click on one of these. I'll click on this balance trainer right here, and I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to click on the first one here, this wobbly cushion thing, okay? And I'm going to scroll down. The first thing I want to check down here is its rank 394. For one of the purposes, you're going to start out in your mind looking for something in the top 1,000 to start out, okay? So I'm going to click on see top 100 in sport and outdoors and see if I can find an item. And I start going through and thinking out loud. This is Sean T's Focus DVD. You don't get DVDs because they'll be copies. I mean, Sean T didn't release a 50-cent set to China, okay? It'll be copies. This water bottle fits. This personal whatever water filter life straw thing fits. Shoelaces fit. All of this stuff fits, okay? Kettlebell doesn't fit, obviously. I'm talking about weight and size right now. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to go to the second page. I'm going to show you one that I I honestly went through these and I was like, man, that'd be awesome. That'd be awesome. I was like, I want to check one of these out, and I'll go ahead and find you and show you the one I found in no time. And again, I'm not listing it. Let's see, what page was that on? Here it is. I was like, how $999 for some tape? What's this all about? So I clicked on this tape here, all right? And it was $16, and there was all kinds, and I have no clue yet what kinesiology tape is. It appears you tape it on yourself, and it helps you athletically, okay? And this is called rock tape. Now, I didn't know if rock tape was a brand name, so I decided to search kinesiology tape. But the first thing I seen was there's 555 customer reviews, so lots of sales. I came down here, it was number 63 in sports and outdoors. Awesome. So now I got something that's easily in the top 1,000. In fact, it's in the top 100. So what do you think the keywords for somebody searching on Amazon would be for this? Well, somebody searching on Amazon, the top words would be probably kinesiology tape, right? So if I go out and I type in kinesiology tape, I want to see if not only the number one guy is making some money, but if other people are selling it too. So there's that rock tape again. In case that's a brand name, I'm going to skip that. But then I get to this 3B tape right here, and I see that they have 70 customer reviews, so they're making good sales, and I see their number 246 in industrial and scientific. Okay, now even the second place guys, I'm selling some stuff, okay? And then I can keep going through, and you'll see as I go through here, this one has 39, 79, so you could brand this tape, okay? And look at these tapes, the 3B tape, the rock tape. Imagine your own branding, even if you had to put a cool sticker or a cool logo, or if you did get a box, which is like 15 cents, I'll show you how to do it, everything else, and you had Gator tape or Olympic gold tape or ultra tape. And these guys here are like rock tape, 3B tape, Kinesio text tape, right? Do you see what I mean? It's like, wham, Gator tape, man. You got to get Gator tape. And you're not, again, I'm going to keep going back to this. Branding is not just about getting this stuff shipped into you, getting it into Amazon, making a few dollars. You are now the Gator tape guy. You got the best tape on the planet. You got the best box, man. You got to get Gator tape. You're going to go onto forums and sell your Gator tape. You're going to sell it everywhere, okay? So I took a look at that, and I was able to source this tape here for $1.20 a roll. Okay, $1.20 a roll. And I'll show you again the math later on and how this works, all right? And it was super easy for me to source, and it'll be super easy for you to source too, okay? But write this down. You're going to want to, step one, and I'll put this below the video too. You're going to want to be at least in the top 1,000, okay, to start out with, top 1,000. And when you watch the video on the numbers, like if you see a category like sporting goods, and the number 1,000 seller is selling 55 units a day, that's the number 1,000 seller. You know, you can be in the top 1,500, the top 2,000, the top 5,000, and probably like the top 10,000th item in sports and outdoors probably does 5 or 6 or 7 sales a day and makes $1,000 a month. Are you okay with that? You know, that's not our goal, but I'm okay with it, all right? I went over to eBay, and I did a search for kinesiology tape on eBay. And remember, we don't have to do this. Nobody else is doing this. This is just making sure we have 197 fallbacks, okay? Hong Kong. You should recognize on eBay, you don't pay attention to this because people from the U.S. are not buying from people in Hong Kong. They're scared of it. They don't get it. But I bet this guy has a ton of sales at $3.97, but you can ignore that one. This one's up for auction from China. But even if you got it from Hong Kong by buying it on eBay and had it shipped to your house for $4, you can still make money. Or $2.83 and put your own sticker on it, you could still make money, but we're going to get it cheaper and get it professionally done, okay? Keep scrolling down, and here's the first U.S. listing. $9.99 for Kinesio Text Gold Tape. Do you think you could do a better brand than this bandage looking thing, okay, with a gold box that says Kinesio Text Gold on it? Gator tape, right? So I'm going to click on this. 296 sold. What if that was your fallback and you were making $5 in a roll of dang tape? Okay, cost you $1. By the time you get it shipped to you, say it cost $1.50. Sell it on eBay for $10. Your fees are $1.50. So now you're out $3. Okay, ship it out, couple bucks, $5. Make $5 a roll times 300, $1,500. Okay. Or an extra $1 in shipping, make $4 a roll, $1,200. Or an extra $1 in shipping, make $3 a roll, $900. Do you see what I'm saying? All right. And this is your backup, let alone selling on Google, let alone tapping into gym forums and weightlifting forums. I think that's what this Kinesio thing is for like injuries. Yeah, rotator cuff injury, stuff like that. Okay, let alone all the rankings we're going to give you on Google. So your first on Amazon. So your first thing is you're going to put it up on Amazon. We're going to guarantee you sales. We're going to drive you traffic. We're going to boost you up. We're going to show you how to get reviews. We're going to get your reviews through our traffic. You're going to have the fallbacks of Craigslist. You're going to have the fallbacks of Facebook. You're going to have the fallbacks of eBay. You're going to have the fallbacks of selling on Google. You just can't miss. That's why we made that massive guarantee of 3 to 10 sales. We'll drive traffic till you make at least 3 to 10 sales to get you bumped up. Wow. Hope you're excited. Now, what I need you to do, write this down, get your pen out. I want you to go out and come up with 3 things like that, doing that search. Remember, you go back to Amazon, you reset yourself. I'll just do this one off the top of my head, okay? Amazon, you reset yourself, you go to the full directory, okay? Don't worry about the cost or where you're going to source it from yet, okay? Grab a section. I'll go to health and beauty. I'll go to men's grooming, for example. And I'll take, I don't know, Manscaped facial hair. Probably the worst category ever. I don't even know where I'm at right now. Okay, I'm in a weird category. Let me back up there. Let's see, sports nutrition, best of, manual shavers. Okay, let's see the manual shavers on here. All right, and I'm going to go out and I'm going to look through and I'm going to click on the Gillette Mach 3. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to see 1027th in health. Let me see the top 100. This is what you're going to be doing. Too bulky. Oh, this coffee extract, carcinogen Cambogia. That's lightweight. Okay, cool. 3,880 reviews. Scroll down. It is number 3 in health and personal care. Okay. We can help you get that formulated in the U.S., okay? We can help you get a pill bottle, all right, formulated where you're like, I want a little bit more carcinogen Cambogia than everybody else. I want this, I want that. They're going to make it for you for like $4 or $5 a unit. You're going to slap a really cool sticker on there like coffee weight loss king, skinny coffee guy, the skinny coffee bean, big guy that's shaped like a coffee bean that's skinny. Do you see what I'm saying? All right. And then you're going to sell it. This, I honestly, hand in the air, I did this off the top of my head. Boom, there's one opportunity. All right. You're going to search out 3 like that. You're going to get them written down. All right. And then we're going to go out. Now, not only are you going to search these out, but after you find one example, you're going to take 3 of the words that you think are the common words, carcinogen, Cambogia extract, okay? And I see a lot of feedback there, a lot of sales. I also see it's in the top 1,000, okay? That's disclaimer, all right? I'm going to click go. And I'm going to see what else is out there, okay? So I go to the next competitor here, 1,746 bestseller. We don't even have to research further on that one. 413. Let's go ahead and click on this one and scroll down, and we'll see that this is 505 in health and personal. So even the fallbacks that we're going to get you ranked up to Even the fallbacks are highly ranked. You see what I'm saying? All right, I'm excited. So I'm going to do the next video where I type out for you on the screen the process that I just went through, okay, in case you want to watch that and use it for reference and take notes and stuff like that. And I'll get some notes down below here. Some of you are note readers, some of you are video watchers. Let's go pick out 3 things, okay, and then we're going to research them, okay? See you guys in the next video. Take care.